Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am here to talk a little bit about a project I'm working on. This is the 17-year tenant that vacated. Somebody somewhere along the line put in a replacement door, because remember, all the bedroom doors were gone. But downstairs, there was a bathroom door that evidently became so damaged that it was replaced with a new door, and somebody put in a raw, unsealed, unstained door, probably because it was the cheapest possible door to buy. So here's what I've got. My father-in-law provided this rubber band so that you can not lift up the brush and take off the extra polyurethane on the edge of the paint can. You take it off with the rubber band. So that's my tip for the day on the house landlording side that hopefully somebody will find beneficial. Thanks for watching.